Hey everyone, welcome back to Heartfelt Growth. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both exciting and essential in our digital age. 22 Proven ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these tips will help you get started. Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, freelance writing can be a lucrative online job. Many websites, blogs, and companies are constantly looking for writers to create content for them. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can help you find clients and projects. To stand out, focus on building a strong portfolio, gathering positive reviews, and continuously improving your writing skills. Tip number 2, online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services online. Websites like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, and VIP Kid connect tutors with students who need help. This can be especially rewarding if you have a passion for teaching. Tailor your lessons to each student's needs and provide engaging, interactive sessions to ensure they get the most out of their learning experience. Tip number 3, affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. You can start by joining affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. The key is to choose products that align with your audience's interests. Create valuable content that naturally incorporates these products and build trust with your audience to boost conversions. Tip number 4, dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. You set up an online store, find suppliers, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Shopify and Oberlo are popular platforms to get started with dropshipping. Focus on niche products and effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your store. Tip number 5, online surveys and market research. Companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions, and you can make money by participating in online surveys. Websites like Swagbox, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer cash and gift cards for your time. While this won't make you rich, it's an easy way to earn extra money during your free time. Tip number 6, virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, social media management, and customer service. As a virtual assistant, you can provide these services remotely. Websites like Zirtual and Belay can connect you with clients. To succeed, be organized, responsive, and proficient with various office software and social media platforms. Tip number 7, selling handmade crafts. If you're crafty, you can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy. From jewelry to home decor, handmade items are in demand. Creating an online store on Etsy allows you to reach a global audience. Focus on high-quality photos and detailed descriptions to attract buyers, and consider expanding your reach with social media marketing. Tip number 8, blogging. Starting a blog about a topic you're passionate about can generate income through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. WordPress and Blogger are popular platforms to start a blog. It takes time to build an audience, but it can be very rewarding. Consistently publish valuable content, engage with your readers, and use SEO techniques to drive traffic to your blog. Tip number 9, YouTube channel. If you enjoy creating videos, starting a YouTube channel can be profitable. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Consistency and engaging content are key to growing your channel. Focus on a niche, invest in good equipment, and interact with your audience to build a loyal subscriber base. Tip number 10, stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Businesses and individuals are always looking for high-quality images for their projects. To succeed, focus on producing high-quality, versatile images that meet the needs of various clients and trends. Tip number 11, online courses and ebooks. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can create and sell online courses or ebooks. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a wide audience. Structure your content well, provide valuable insights, and market your courses or ebooks effectively to attract learners. Tip number 12, social media management. Many businesses need help managing their social media accounts. As a social media manager, you can create content, schedule posts, and engage with followers. You can find clients through freelancing platforms or by reaching out directly. Stay updated with the latest social media trends and tools to provide the best service. Tip number 13, website and app testing. Companies need feedback on their websites and apps, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like User Testing and TestBirds pay you to test and provide feedback on user experience. Provide detailed and constructive feedback to help improve the usability and functionality of the sites or apps you test. Tip number 14, transcription services. If you have good listening and typing skills, you can offer transcription services. Websites like Rev and TranscribeMe pay you to transcribe audio and video files into text. Accuracy and attention to detail are crucial, so take your time to deliver high-quality transcriptions. Tip number 15, podcasting. Starting a podcast about a topic you're passionate about can generate income through sponsorships, ads, and listener donations. Platforms like Anchor make it easy to distribute your podcast to a wide audience. Focus on producing high-quality content, engaging with your listeners, and promoting your podcast through various channels. Tip number 16, investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. While this requires some initial capital and a good understanding of the market, investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies can be highly profitable. Websites like Robinhood and Coinbase make it easy to start investing. Research thoroughly, diversify your investments, and stay updated with market trends. Tip number 17, selling digital products. This includes anything from printables, graphic designs, software, and more. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and Selfie allow you to sell digital products directly to consumers. Create high-quality digital products that meet the needs of your target audience and market them effectively. Tip number 18, freelance graphic design. If you have skills in graphic design, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals. Websites like 99 Designs, Behance, and Dribbble are great places to showcase your work and find clients. Build a strong portfolio, gather positive reviews, and continuously improve your skills to attract more clients. Tip number 19, voiceover work. If you have a good voice and enjoy reading, you can offer voiceover services for commercials, audiobooks, and videos. Websites like Voices.com and Fiverr can help you get started. Practice your voiceover skills, invest in good recording equipment, and create a demo reel to showcase your talent. Tip number 20, translation services. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services. Websites like Django and Pros connect translators with clients who need documents, websites, and other content translated. Accuracy and cultural sensitivity are crucial, so ensure you provide high-quality translations. Tip number 21, selling on eBay or Amazon. You can sell new or used items on these platforms. Whether you want to declutter your home or start a retail business, eBay and Amazon provide a vast marketplace. Focus on providing excellent customer service, high-quality product listings, and competitive pricing to succeed. Tip number 22, remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives to handle customer inquiries and support. Websites like Indeed and FlexJobs list remote customer service job opportunities. Excellent communication skills, patience, and a friendly demeanor are essential for this role. And there you have it, 22 proven ways to make money online. Remember, Consistency and dedication are key to success in any of these ventures. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell button for more videos like this. See you in the next video.